Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to freeze Tabby card. So let's get started. First open Tabby app, then click on the money tab in the bottom, then click on Tabby card in the top, then you can see three dot icon in the top right corner, click on it. Then in the first option you can see freeze card, click on it, then click on freeze Tabby card. Then you can see after refreshing the interface my card has been successfully freezed. So guys, if you think this video was helpful for you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel.